Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is Tariq. Lesson 2, Learn Urdu Basic Common Sentences by Tariq Aziz. Today, our second lesson. So, how are you today? Our topic is how old are you? How old are you? How old are you? How can we say in English, how old are you? आप कितने साल के हो? आप कितने साल के हो? How old are you? आप कितने साल के हो? How old? Oh sorry, मेरे को तो उर्दू पढ़ानी है. I have to teach you Urdu, not English. So आप कितने साल के हो? आप कितने साल के हो? आप कितने साल के हो? हो आप कितने साल के हो? Repeat after me again. आप कितने साल के हो? Repeat after me. आप कितने साल के हो? आप कितने साल के हो? आप कितने साल के हो? Let's make a song. Okay. आप कितने साल के हो? So how can we say in Urdu similar? Okay. Many people say आपकी उम्र कितनी है? How old are you? आपकी उम्र कितनी है? आप कितने साल के हो? Another way to say how are you? तुम्हारी उम्र कितनी है? Another way to say तुम कितने साल के हो? Another way, तू कितने साल का है? Don't use this, okay? The last one, don't use it, okay? So how can we, but we have to learn only one in the start. आप कितने साल के हो? Let me read for you. आप कितने साल के हो? आपकी उम्र कितनी है? तुम्हारी उम्र कितनी है? तुम कितने साल के हो? So now word to word, let us start. How to pronounce this? Aap, aap, aap. How can we say this word? Kitne, 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 kitne. आप कितने? आप कितने? कितने. Okay. साल, साल, साल के हो? आप कितने साल के हो? आप कितने साल के हो? So maybe it's really hard to pronounce in first time, but when you watch second time or third time, you will learn easily, because whenever we heard first word first time, so we hesitate to pronounce. We think it's really hard to pronounce. So don't worry about this. Watch 2 or 3 times, you will learn. Okay. So आप कितने साल के हो? Got it? आगे चलते हैं. लेट्स. ये सारी उर्दू. आपकी उम्र कितनी है? तुम्हारी उम्र कितनी है? तुम कितने साल के हो? तू कितने साल का है? इट्स ऑल हाउ ओल्ड आर यू. ओके. द हाउ मेनी मीनिंग्स इन उर्दू? 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 way we can say how are you in Urdu. तुम्हारी उम्र कितनी है? तू कितने साल का है? तुम कितने साल के हो? आप कितने साल के हो? आपकी उम्र कितनी है? So that's really cool. As how can we understand? There are so many way. So your umar, sal, 2 words you have to understand. Umar, sal, we can say air. This word Umar, it means year. It also mean year, साल. Okay, so you can say this. आपकी उम्र कितनी है, आप कितने साल के. So next चलते हैं. I am 30 years old. Don't tell you are 30, okay? Because I am 30 years old, not you, okay? So how can we say in Urdu? First of all, let me tell you, मैं. Here you can say in English also 30, 30, 30. मैं 30 साल का हूँ, but it's really old, okay? So I will teach you Urdu counting, inshallah. So don't worry about it. मैं 30 साल का हूँ. मैं 30 साल का हूँ. मैं 30 साल का हूँ. देखिए, you already learned this word, also this one, and also this one. साल का हूँ. How old are you? आप कितने साल के हो? Do you remember? आप कितने साल के हो? आपकी उम्र कितनी है? आप कितने साल के हो? This also repeat. You have to just put these two words here before this. मैं means I. मैं 30. मैं 30 साल का हूँ. मैं 30 साल का हूँ. Okay? So you can put here. Yeah, you can say only 30. If it's really hard for you, you can say 30, 40, 25, 20, 22, 23. So it's enough for answer. You can say like this, 30. So the person can understand you are 30 years old, either you speak like this, 30. Okay? So you can say only 30. So it's enough answer. It's acceptable in Urdu also. So मैं 30 साल का हूँ या 30. Okay, 30. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. मेरी उम्र 30 साल है. मेरी उम्र 30 साल है. There are two way. I told you have to remember two words. साल, उम्र. उम्र mean age. साल mean year. उम्र mean age. Sorry. उम्र mean age. And साल mean year. So मेरी उम्र 30 साल है. मेरी उम्र 30 साल है. So next चलते हैं. Short way to learn Urdu by Mr. Crazy. So how can we say there is any short way? So let's see. Can you read this? Of course we can read this. This is not Urdu. So I am a teacher. Okay. Do you know in English? But I don't know. Okay, so just kidding. You have to just remember this. मैं teacher हूँ. You have to say in English also. Don't use like this. मैं उस्ताद हूँ. मैं उस्ताद हूँ. It means I'm a teacher. It means I'm a teacher. It means I'm a teacher. मैं उस्ताद हूँ. We can say like this. मैं teacher हूँ. In Pakistan, many people speak like mixed Urdu English, and people think they are very awesome if they speak Urdu and English at the same time. So I don't use Urdu English mix, but I tell you because you have to speak Urdu. So मैं teacher हूँ. You have to just put here what you are. Just like this, I'm a doctor. You have to put here doctor. I'm an engineer. You have to put here engineer. Also, I'm a computer operator. You have to put here I'm a computer operator. Sorry, computer operator only. Whatever you are, just say after मैं dash हूँ. For example, मैं teacher हूँ. So you have to remember this मैं, then the last word, then who. Okay, so मैं teacher हूँ. I'm a teacher. मैं teacher हूँ. It's pure Urdu. Don't worry about it. I'm not teaching English. It's Urdu, okay? But we are using English in our language a lot. So मैं teacher हूँ. Next देखें, like this. मैं doctor हूँ. Can you make this in Urdu? First मैं, then doctor, then who. मैं doctor हूँ. I'm a doctor. Okay, so let's see. मैं doctor हूँ. मैं doctor हूँ. मैं doctor हूँ. गाना बना सकते हैं. You have to make a song. मैं teacher हूँ. मैं doctor हूँ. Oh, sorry. Just okay. I'm a nurse. So how can we say in Urdu? I'm a nurse. मैं nurse हूँ. मैं nurse हूँ. This is the shortest way to speak. Okay. I am crazy. This is my nickname, crazy. Okay. So because I sometimes I speak very craziest way. Okay. So I'm crazy. मैं crazy हूँ. So I hope you understand this. And the last one. Now tell me who are you and what do you do? Now tell me who are you and what do you do? Who are you? Obviously you can say I'm a human being. Okay. Okay, so who are you? So you can say I am Tariq. So how can we say in English, oh sorry, Urdu? In Urdu, how can we say मैं Tariq हूँ? You have to just put here your name. मैं you have to put here your name and just, it means I am Tariq. It also mean my name is Tariq. It also mean I'm the person that name is Tariq. Okay, so मैं Tariq हूँ. You can put here you can put your name here. Okay, so whenever you say who are you, so don't say I'm a human being. Say I'm a Tariq. Don't say I'm a Tariq because you are not Tariq. I'm Tariq. Okay, so just don't think about this. You are Tariq. Okay, so you have to put here your name. Okay, so मैं Tariq हूँ. I hope you understand this. I don't know what am I doing. Okay, so what do you do? What do you do? Do you know what is, do you know, because I don't know what is the meaning of what do you do? Of course, sorry, you are telling a lie. Okay, what do you do in Urdu? How आप क्या करते हो? आप क्या करते हो? आप क्या करते हो? Oh, sorry, yeah, है. Sorry. It's है. You can also say आप क्या करते हो? It's all about formal, informal, because when we it's a formal. आप क्या करते हैं? But we mostly say आप क्या करते हो? So आप क्या करते हैं? Let me repeat after me. आप क्या करते हैं? आप क्या करते हैं? Okay. Before reading तुम क्या करते हो? आप क्या करते हैं? Before reading a golden words, let me repeat lesson 1, lesson 2 for you. You have to repeat after me, but not slowly. You have to speak. Okay. So first lesson. What is your name? Repeat. Can you read in Urdu? You have only 2 seconds. आपका नाम क्या है? आपका नाम क्या है? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? आपका नाम क्या है, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है, तेरा नाम क्या है, डोंट यूज दिस। मेरा नाम, मेरा नाम तारिक है। माई नेम इज तारिक, मेरा नाम तारिक है। सेकेंड लेसन, हाउ ओल्ड आर यू, आप कितने साल के हो, आप कितने साल के हो, आप कितने साल के हो। रिपीट फास्ट, ओके। आप कितने साल के हो, ओके। आप कितने साल के हो। आपकी उम्र कितनी है, तुम्हारी उम्र कितनी है, तुम्हारी। डोंट लर्न ऑल दिस, जस्ट लर्न वन, ओके। अदरवाइज you will get confused, okay. So just learn only one, don't worry about others, okay. Just for information, these are sentence for information or knowledge, okay. I'm 30 years old, मैं 30 साल का हूँ। I'm 30 years old, मेरी उम्र 30 साल है, मेरी उम्र 30 साल है, मेरी उम्र 30 साल है। Or you can say only 30, 40, 20, okay. So like that. And shortest way, मैं teacher हूँ, I'm a teacher, मैं teacher हूँ, मैं teacher हूँ। I'm a doctor, मैं doctor हूँ। I'm a nurse, मैं nurse हूँ। I'm crazy, मैं crazy हूँ। I'm now tell me, who are you, तुम कौन हो, तुम कौन हो, तुम कौन हो, आप कौन हैं, तुम कौन हो, आप कौन हैं। There are two English, आप कौन हैं, तुम कौन हो। Repeat after me, आप कौन हैं या तुम कौन हो। It means who are you, who are you, तुम कौन हो या आप कौन हैं। सही है। मैं तारिक हूँ, मैं तारिक हूँ। I am तारिक, मैं तारिक हूँ। What do you do, what do you do, आप क्या करते हैं, आप क्या करते हैं, आप क्या करते हैं, तुम क्या करते हो। Okay, just let's see what is the golden word. Believe what your heart tells you, believe what your heart tells you, not what others says. Believe what your heart tells you, यकीन रखो तुम्हारा दिल क्या कहता है तुम्हें, not what others says, जो लोग कहते हैं वो मत करो। Don't do this what people tells you, don't do this, what your heart tells you to do it, because you are depending, you just depend on others, you don't need to depend on others. What others are saying you are doing, you are not doing what you want, you are doing just for others. So believe what your heart tells you, यकीन रखो तुम्हारा दिल क्या कह रहा है तुम्हें, यकीन रखो जो तुम्हारा दिल कह रहा है वो सही है, not what others says. लोग क्या कहते हैं वो उसकी परवाह नहीं करो। Don't worry about others, don't think about others, don't care about others, because others are always others, okay. So hope you enjoy this lesson and see you next week, and I hope you understand and you will learn this lesson. And in my third lesson I will also repeat lesson 1, lesson 2 in the end of the lesson, okay. So I hope you enjoy this lesson. If you like this lesson, please share with your friends. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.